we got an Acura 2019 TLX. The way it works is we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. So when you arm the system, you hit lock. Pretty much this is the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm. So when you arm it, you always got to wait for that light on the dash to flash. It's going to give you the flash, and then it's going to give you that little double pulse, and that's ready for you. So any banging around the vehicle, if they try to bust out the lug nut locks to take the rims and tires, it will fire off the alarm. Everything is incorporated to the factory alarm. There's no need to add an extra remote control or anything to your vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the tire. Go ahead and shut it off. The first time I didn't bang on it hard enough, but that shock sensor, it is fully adjustable. In his case, he doesn't want it too sensitive, but we can adjust it, you know, as sensitive as the customer wants it. And also, we like to show the customers where the shock is mounted, so that way, where the sensor is actually mounted, that way they can turn it down with a flathead screwdriver if they really wanted to make a little adjustment. But we normally try to set it and find a sweet spot so they don't have to, so a customer wouldn't have to do that. But in any event, I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window. This shock sensor add-on to this Acura, what's installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814, and this is the factory alarm upgrade to this vehicle. Don't get caught with your car and 4 brakes and your tires and rims stolen. Give us a call and we can update this alarm system. That way if somebody tries to take out your rims, it will fire off the alarm and will save you a lot of headaches. Thank you for watching this videos. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. I repeat, that's 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.